All right, everybody. So you've probably seen these AI images talked about on Joe Rogan and various other places. You can use this new platform by OpenAI called DALL-E 2. And there's a web interface and everything. There's no programming necessary, which I think is pretty cool. And you can just use this search prompt to generate really cool stuff. So you have to be a bit specific about what you want to generate. Oh yeah, and before we get into this, please hit the like button and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subs. I've only got like 300 now. So if you could hit the like button, if you look and I'm under 1,000, hit that like and subscribe. All right. So let's well, we can just start with surprise me. I haven't tested this one yet. A stern-looking owl dressed as a librarian, digital art. So I guess you can probably specify something like, high quality photo, high res or high quality photo. But let's generate this one first and see what it gives us. And this is actually pretty quick. It's faster than the API, in my experience. And you can see it stores your recent requests. So a stern-looking owl dressed as a librarian, digital art. And let's see, which is my favorite here? Probably this one. That's kind of cool. And that's it. Now, what would happen if we changed digital art to photorealistic image? Photorealistic image. I wonder if I can. No, I can't. I was going to shift click that and see if I can open up another tab, but at least it saves the results here. So those 4 images are right here. A stern-looking owl dressed as a librarian, photorealistic. So let's see. Yeah, this is definitely more. This is what I would call photorealistic. Whereas I think photorealistic is a type of art that it's like painting, but it looks like a photo. Now, what if I was making like a thumbnail, right? So this was the first use case. I was thinking about this. Like, what if I was going to make a thumbnail for YouTube, but I didn't want to use stock images? So, boy, all those stock image companies are going to be either in trouble or what. I mean, maybe they could take these images and put them on their stock photos, but websites like Unsplash, and Adobe stock images, I feel like they're just kind of in trouble at this point. Let's try something else. How about like a monkey in a space suit realistic image? A monkey in a space suit. And it's a realistic image. Yeah, look at that. That looks pretty. What if I do photograph? Can it produce photograph? I want to see photograph. I don't want to see drawings. The drawings, I think, are like a bit of a crutch for AI. Yeah, see, that's pretty much. That looks like an old-timey photo. Yeah. They kind of mess up the eyes a little bit. It's weird. What if I did Chuck Norris scolding a priest photo? Oh, look, tip. Mention styles like synthwave or cyberpunk. Look, he's really scolding that priest. What if I did Chuck Norris cyberpunk? Oh, that's kind of cool. What if I did DeLorean photo cyber? I think I spelled DeLorean wrong. DeLorean photo cyberpunk. Let's see what we get. Oh, that's freaking cool. I mean, that's an awesome. Uh, these are awesome photos. Like if I was making a YouTube video about cyberpunk DeLoreans or whatever it might be, I think I would come here for the thumbnail. That's awesome. Anyway, th- given that this is a newish technology, I think that when it gets honed, it's going to be pretty legit. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget, hit the subscribe button, and have a great day.